don't think we do.
Oh, well, let's do it anyway.
All right, Linda, how about a new steam shower? MyBathUSA.com presents the Rainforest 78. This revolutionary shower features a built-in hot tub, TV, hands-free phone, stereo system, and much more.
Wow.
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Yeah, it's the greatest. I'm telling you. There's only, thanks, Amber. Here's how you're going to win it.
Wait a minute, the model
It's
cannot
either,
come with it.
the model does not come with it now.
Good, because
No.
my husband.
Yeah, because your husband doesn't want, her husband doesn't want you to come with it. Sorry, Amber. You get asked all the time, does the model come with it? I think some people are serious when they ask me. It's either $2,753 or $5,327. All you got to do is put that in the right spot, and you win yourself a new spa. $5,327. Come here, Linda. Oh, I hope you're right. Let's see it. $5,327. Yes, of course. Of course. I tell you, from our standing, there was no mystery about that price. We got the Showcase Showdown coming up next. Go away.